Okay, good evening. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be discussing tonight will be the operation of my assembled FM microphone. And this is an FM microphone, so it will operate on the megahertz frequency. What I did is that I tried to look for a vacant frequency on the FM band, and that is marked with the black thing over there. That's around 87 megahertz. There's no station using that one, so actually I could use this one to use it if I would like to use my FM transmitter that I assembled. This FM transmitter just comprises of a tank circuit. Tank circuit, we got two inductors over here. And this one is a variable capacitor. We could adjust the capacitance of this one by using an screwdriver. And a while ago, I tried to tune into that 87 megahertz frequency. Okay? You hear it? If I touch this one, it seems we are centered already on that 87 megahertz. Okay? I would like to increase the volume. Okay? And as you could hear it, the FM transmitter is receiving the signal from this wireless microphone. Because this wireless microphone is powered by a 9-volt battery, I just use an LED to indicate that the power supply to the FM receiver is good. Okay? As you could hear it, okay, we could center already the frequency of this FM microphone to that vacant 87 megahertz. Okay? Hello. 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 You could hear my voice emanating from the microphone as the FM receiver receives it. Hello. Hello. Good evening. Good evening. Okay. It's not so clear, but as we could see it, the FM radio is receiving my voice coming from this wireless microphone. Okay. Okay. It's working. We centered already the frequency of this tank circuit. The tank circuit, this is a capacitance and two inductors. Inductance and capacitance, when we try to change the capacitance, okay, it will try to bring out a certain frequency which will be transmitted to the frequency we are looking for on the vacant thing on the FM band. Okay, and the vacant frequency on the FM band is actually 87. This one here is 87 because I use a digital FM receiver a while ago. And as soon as I know that the vacant frequency on the FM band is 87, I use this one because this one got a bigger antenna. Meaning to say, if I will try to talk to this FM microphone, the reception will be good because this FM radio got a good antenna. Okay? Okay? It's working. It's working. Good evening. Okay. This is for now. I will try to fine-tune the setting of the frequency of the receiver and my FM microphone. And as soon as I got the fine-tuned range, I will try to bring out again another video about it. Okay, good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.